Do you have a girlfriend? Oh my goodness. Next. Yoga everybody, I'm Ray Moses. I recently posted a poll on my Instagram handle for you guys to ask me a question or questions, and here we go. These are my answers for your questions. What inspired you to start your YouTube channel? I started this YouTube channel to help many people out there to realize their dreams and to know that nothing is impossible in this world. After making documentary films for 6 years, now I realize that I can offer a special knowledge of filmmaking and photography to many guys and help you tell better stories visually through storytelling. And through my self-development videos, I wanna inspire you guys to stay strong however tough the situation may be. So come along and join me as we move through this journey of 1,000 miles. What do you love most, photography or videography? Guys, this is a tough one. I would say in a scale of 10, I will give 5/5 for both photography and filmmaking. Guys, I love both of them, though in most cases I make more films than take photos. Which country do you come from? I'm from Uganda, East Africa, the pearl of Africa. Do you guys have internet in your country? Oh my goodness. Literally, we don't have internet. We don't have Google, we don't have Instagram, but we're able to upload these videos on YouTube. I mean, the video I'm making right now. So, that question is self-explanatory. Next, how old are you? Guys, I'm pretty old. Look at my jaws. I'm so old. So apparently I'm 26 and in November I'll be making 27 years. Maybe the next question will answer what I need for my birthday. Ice cream or chocolate? Oh man, guys. Chocolate definitely. Oh man, so yummy. I guess that would be a perfect one for my birthday. No cake, just chocolate. What's your favorite TV show? So guys, apparently I'm following Ozark. And man, this is a very nice TV show. Like the cinematography in it, like the lighting, everything is just mwah in this TV show. So apparently that's my favorite TV show. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Green Mile by Tom Hanks. Do you like listening to music? Oh hell yeah, of course yeah. My favorite genre of music is hip hop. Hip hop.
It's time to run it up, yeah you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor. Ayy, on the road, here we go, here we go. Yeah, we winning by a landslide. Never see me coming, I'm a landmine. Yeah, I ain't taking notice.
Gospel music and pop music. So if you have a house party, don't forget to holler at me. Just drop the invite through Instagram, of course, and I'll be right there. What camera do you use? Is it good at quality? And if yeah, do I need to buy that same camera? So I use the Panasonic Lumix GH5 for my YouTube videos, and yeah, the quality is pretty good as you can see right about now for making YouTube videos. And is it good for you to buy? So my advice to you, my friends out there, use what you have, be it a phone, a GoPro, a professional camera. Just use what you have and then master these other skill sets, the lighting, the editing, the camera frame rates, the camera angles. So all these combined will help you take your production to the next level. Next, what do I need to start off my YouTube journey? So for this question, I would say basically 4 things. 8? 4 things that you need to start off your YouTube journey. So first things first, your phone. The camera in this phone is very, very important, like when you're starting off your YouTube journey, and it can be used to capture videos or footages that you can edit and then post on YouTube. Or if you can afford, you can invest on a camera and a lens, and this will take your production to the next level. So the second thing that you need will be a laptop to help you edit your footage, and in any editing software, be it Final Cut, DaVinci, Premiere So through that, you'll be able to edit your video and render them and then post them on YouTube. So the third thing that we need, or the third thing that we shall use, is a tripod. And this will help you get stable looking shots, and using a tripod will make your production go to the next level. So you need a tripod to help you get those smooth, stable shots in one place, especially when you're recording your videos. Fourthly and lastly, the final thing that you need is an editing software. So this can be Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or any other editing software installed in your phone. And with this, we are good to rock and roll. We are good to boom, we are good to make videos. We are good to cut, edit, and render these videos and upload on our YouTube channels. So, see you then. What software do you use for editing your photos? I use both Adobe Lightroom and Adobe Photoshop for editing my photos. I do the basics in Lightroom and then finalize the process in Photoshop. What software do you use to edit your videos? So I use both Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and also Final Cut for editing my videos, depending on how big, long the timeline would be. For long timelines, I use Premiere Pro. For shorter timeline, I use Final Cut Pro. How long have you been filmmaking? I think around 7 years. I started off as a freelance wedding photographer / filmmaker for around 1 year, and then I used to edit videos, wedding videos for my friend Peter, and then I met Bob Ditty, who nurtured me to do more of documentary films for non-profit organization, and this is something that I love doing, and I completely love doing this type of filmmaking and photography. What's the most interesting part of your job? I think for me, when I'm able to make videos for non-profit organizations and they're able to fundraise dollars or shillings or British pounds out of my work to help make this world a better place, it makes me feel so happy. It makes me feel so jolly. This is something that makes me feel so, I don't know which word I can use to express it. Makes me feel so flamboyant. Do you have a tattoo? Nope, I don't have a tattoo. But before I put one, I'll have to ask my mom, or even my girlfriend. Wi-Fi high five. See you guys. Love you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and peace.
If you ain't know, you about to understand. Yeah, I got the team by my side, right hand. Yeah, take it to a string, you ain't seen it like that. Yeah, and it's the dream, and we coming for the bag. Yeah, and we ain't never going back now. Future expedited, now we on the fast track now. They won't lend a hand, now they see us on the map now. It's time to act out. Here we go, at the top of the class on a roll. And it's time to run it up, yeah, you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor. Hey, on the road, here we go, yeah. At the top of the class on a roll. Hey, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know, yeah. Maxed out.